Good morning, my dear children. Welcome back to EVS class. How are you? Hope you all fine in your home. Me, I am also fine. Thank you. Then, last 2 days we completed our one block, correct? Yes, what is the block's name? Yes, my family. And in that block you completely studied everything about your family, correct? Yes, you completed all the things like family relations. Then second one, what we yes, the what who is cousin and who is siblings. Then next what? Next we studied. Yes, traditions in our home. Very good. Then next. Okay, these all things we studied last day. So, and I hope you completely did your all works in the first block, correct? Then, next we are going to our second block. Can you guess which one will be our second block? What is the name of our second block? No. Then? Never. I will give some clues to say what is our second block, okay? See, we are going to study about a place. We are going to study about a place. And you all are going every day to that place except Sundays. Understood? No, not in temple. Another one. Just think about that. Yes, this place is also known as our second family. This place is known as second family. Which one? And the people working there are called your second parents. The people working there is called your second parents. Got it? Yes, our school. Who told that? Very good. Then, next one. You got the name, our school. So, today we are going to study about our school. Which are the places in our school? What is the use of each place in our school? Third one, who are the people in our school? And next, how can we take care of our school? How can we take care of our school? So, we can study first
Which are the places?
for school and what are the uses of that place. Before starting this, may I tell you one thing? Do you like to sing songs? Yes. Can we sing a song? Are you ready? I am ready. I will start the song and you should be with me. Okay. You should sing the song with me. Everyone is ready? Okay. Can we start? Yes. I like to go to school, like to go to school. Hey ho the diary ho, hey ho the diary ho. I like to go to school, I like to go to school. How was the song? Good? Then can you sing with me? Okay. I like to go to school. Not hearing, loudly sing. I like to go to school, I like to go to school, like to go to school. Hey ho the diary ho, hey ho the diary ho. I like to go to school, I like to go to school. Okay, good. Then can we sing the balance song? Sing with me, okay? You can sing hey ho, the diary ho, that you sing. Other all portions I will sing. Got it? Okay, can we start? Next portion, we can start with the first itself, correct? No need of the last one. No, we can start with the first portion, and here I will never stop. You should sing with me. Understood? Okay. I like to go to school. I like to go to school. Hey ho, the diary ho. Hey ho, the diary ho. I like to go to school. I like to go to school. I like to sing a song. I like to sing a song. Hey ho, the diary ho. I like to sing new songs. I like to sing new songs. I like to play with friends. I like to play with friends. Hey ho, the diary ho. I like to play with friends. Like to learn every day. I like to learn every day. Hey ho, the diary ho. I like to learn every day. I like to learn every day. Hey ho, the diary ho. I like to go to school. I like to go to school. I like to go to school. How was the song? Good? Very good? Okay, thank you. Next, we already told about, we can start the new block. Block number 2, my school. My school. Block number 2, my school. Okay, my school. See, you already studied in LKG and UKG, no? So you know about your school. New admissions also see our school already. See, this is our school. How is it? Very good, no? Yes. Then next we can study what are the different places in the school. What are the different places in the school? Okay, we can start from our what? What you are seeing when you are coming directly to the school. First, what you can see? Yes, our school office room. The first one is our school office room. So, we are going to study different places in our school. Different places in my school. Okay. So, first itself you told first room, first place in our school is what? School office room. Here our school office room. First one, school office room. Okay. School office room. You told the first place is school office room. What is the use of school office room? Can you say what is the use of school office room? Why you are going to school office room? Yes. No. See, when you are not well, you can go to school office room. No, we are informing the school office room, you are not well, we need to call your parents, that all things. But you are not going to your school office room. What we are doing in school office room, what you can see in school office room? So 2-3 tables and computer. Some people are sitting there. These all things we can see in the school office room. Correct? What these people are doing? Yes, your parents can interact with the school office room, interact with the people sitting in the school office room. Yes, yeah. Your parents are coming to the school with you or without you. They can come and ask about the school and about the admission. If they need to ask anything, they can inquire in the school office room. Okay, correct. If they want to meet you in between the class time, what will do? The office attender will come to the class and call you, and you can also meet your parents from the office. Understood all of you? So, what is the use? First place we studied what? School, office, room, and what is the use of school office room? Parents can come and meet the people working in the office and ask what all things they need from the school or what all enquiries they want to do in the school. That everything they can do from the school office room. Understand all of you? Then next one we are going to study about next room after school office room, which you can see here. You just think and tell me. You should tell me the answer. Yes, principal's room. Principal's room. Second. Principal's room. See, here is our principal room. Yes, what is the use of principal's room? Principal is sitting and doing all the works from principal's room. Principal sir is sitting in that room and doing all the works from that room. Correct? Understood? So, we studied two rooms. First one is school office room. The parents and other people, they can come and inquire the things from the school office room, and you can pay the fees in school office room. That are the uses of school office room. Then second room we studied that what? Second room is principal's room. Our principal is sitting there and doing all the works. Got it? Third room. Which room you are seeing? In our school, which room you are seeing? Third. First school office room you can see, then next principal's room you see, then next hey, don't make noise. See, I forgot to tell you one thing. Before studying these all things, what we want to do, no? When you are going these all rooms, you should follow two rules. You should follow two rules. What are they? Do you know? When you are going to office room, what you want to do? When you go to principal's room, you can make big sound and enter into the principal's room? Never. We cannot do like that. So, we should follow two rules before entering these all rooms. What are the two rules? First one is talk smoothly to each other. Don't make loud sound. Talk smoothly with each other. And next one we told, talk smoothly with each other. Second one, what is that? Walk in straight line. Walk in straight line and keep your hands always behind. Keep your hands behind. Keep your hands back and walk in a straight line, and you can go to the office room or principal's room. Understood all of you? Next day onwards you will do like that. No, if you are going to the office room or principal's room, you will talk very softly from the office room and principal's room. Correct? And next you will walk in a straight line by keeping your hands back. Correct? Yes, you should do like that. Good children are doing like that. So, you will do, I know that. You will do, no? Yes. Then, next room we told No, we told about only school office room and the principal's room. Next place, which one is that in our school? Good. Third one. Here is third one. What is that? Staff room. Staff room. Staff room. Very good. Staff room is also known as in another word. What is that? Yes, teacher's room. Yes, teacher's room. Very good. Teacher's room. So, first one school office room. Second one principal's room. Third one staff room. What is going on in staff room? Yes, teachers are sitting and doing their works when they don't have class. When they don't have class, our teachers are sitting in the staff room and doing all their works from there. Understood all of you? Then fourth room. Most important place in a school and you all like it very much. I know that. Which is that? You can play from there. Yes, playground. Next place is playground. Next place is playground. Okay, playground. Playground, what you are doing in playground? Yes, you are playing from the playground. Very good. So, I don't want to say more about playground. You know everything. Playground is used for playing games. Then, next one, fifth one. Did you see playground? No, here is our playground. Good, no? Looking very nice. Yes, then fifth one. What is that? Fifth one, playground finish. You can understand it very easily. Why though? Just opposite our playground we can see that place. What is that? Canteen. Very good. Canteen. Canteen. See, here is our canteen. Good. Canteen is used for eating food. Everyone know that. Why I am telling these all things to you? You know, I clearly know. Canteen is used for eating food. We will get snacks also from the canteen. So, next room we studied canteen. So, how many places we studied? 5. What are they? School office room, principal's room, staff room or teacher's room. Then fourth one, playground. When you are telling playground, your face become very reddish color. You like that place very much, no? When you are coming to school, we can all together play in the playground, okay? Then next one, fifth one we studied canteen, okay? Then there are many other places also in the school that I will tell. Sixth one, computer lab. Our school one computer lab is there. Did you see that? Yes, computer lab. Then what we are doing in computer lab? You are drawing pictures, you are writing something and you are studying computer with the help of computer teacher. So, what we can say? Yes, computer lab is for practicing computer. What? For practicing computer. Then, seventh one. Tell me any other room or other place? Yes, assembly area. Oh, I forgot about that. Every day morning we will have assembly. Yes, so seventh one, assembly area. Assembly area. Then assembly area is used to do the assemblies. Okay, with principal, vice principal, teachers, children, everyone stand together in a place in straight line and Many programs will conduct from the assembly ground, and it is assembly area where we are conducting all these things. That is assembly area. Then two more places we can study. Eighth one, what? Music and art room. Music and art room. Medical room. Here is music and art room. What the children are doing in that picture? Yes, they are studying music, and many musical instruments also will be there in the music room. So, music and art room. Music and art room is used to study music and art, and many musical instruments also will be there in the room. All schools will not have, okay, this music and art room. Next one, medical room. See, this is medical room. What you can see? Yes, one doctor or nurse will be there in that room, and they will consult the students, those who are not well from the school, or they will consult the students, those who are not well from the school. So got it, all the places in the school. Everyone. Then can you tell me what are the different places in the school? One more time. Okay, first one, school office room, very good. Then next one, tell me, you. Yes, principal's room. Then third one, teacher's room or staff room, very good. Then next one, look at the board and tell me, don't worry. Playground, very good. Then next, fifth one, canteen, yes, good. Then next one, computer lab, assembly area, then music and art room, then one medical room. What? Medical room. Okay, all of you understood all these places and their uses also. All of you understood that? Good. Then next, may I ask you one thing? See, it is compulsory to be these all places in a school? Really it is compulsory, but some of the places only will be there in some schools, correct? See, here we forget about one main place in the school. Anybody can say that? It is very compulsory in every school, and it should be very neat and tidy. Which room is that? Yes, washroom. Give him a big hand, all of you. Okay, washroom. Next here, washroom. We are using washroom for washroom. We are using washroom for what? Yes, washing hands, face. Then for going toilet also we are using washroom. Correct? Washroom, toilet also inside our washroom. Here we can see that, no? Washroom is in one side, and near to that itself there is toilet. So that is the main room, or compulsory in every school it should be there. This washroom should be there. Got it, all of you? Understand? Okay. Then one more time, can we say the names of these places? School office room, principal's room, teacher's room or staff room, playground, canteen, computer lab, assembly area, music and art room, medical room, washroom. See, and we already told about the 10 places but some of the places is compulsorily should be there in the school. What are they? Okay, First one, office room. Yes, office room should be there in the school. Then washroom. Washroom is very must in all the schools. Okay, and it should be clean and tidy. Then third one. Think about that and tell me which is the room. It is very compulsory in school. Classroom. Here we said about classroom. No. Why? Me also forget about that. Who told that? Ah, good. Just give a big clap all of you. Yes. So classroom is very must in all the school. We forget about that. See, what is this? So next one we need to say about classroom. Oh, heck, okay. Classroom. Correct? What will be there in the classroom? Who said about classroom? Yes, you only know. You just tell me what all things will be there in the classroom. What? Table and benches. Very good. Table and benches. Next, you just tell me what will be the Oh, teacher's table. Ah, very good. Teacher's table. Then, next. Blackboard. Nice blackboard. Then, chalk. Yeah, chalk. Then, duster. Yeah, duster. These all things will be there in the classroom. What are they? Desk and bench for sitting the children. Teacher's table, blackboard. Who told that? Very good. Cupboard. Cupboard to keep the children's things. Very good. Then next, chalk, duster. Very good. You know everything about the classroom. So it is easy. Then we told about all these places and the uses of that all places also. Okay? Do you forget the song? Remember? Then just sing the song one more time. Good. Very good. And don't forget the song, okay? When I am telling you to sing the song, you should stand up and sing the song. Hey, one important place we need to say no. Which one is that? You can read books from that place. Which place is that? Yes, library. So, we need to include library also in a school's room. Library. What we are doing in library? We can borrow the books and read from the library. Correct? Okay. Here finish our today's class. Before winding up the class, we should complete our workbook. Is it? Yes. Here, page number 14. Take your workbook. Page number 14. Places in my school. Before starting the work, you need to write what? Yes, date here. Then after that, places in my school, and given questions here, two pictures are the first. You need to write two places that you like most in your school. Then you can see two picture, you just identify the picture. Then next, how is the principal room different from a teacher's room? That also you need to write. What is the use of principal room, you can write here, and what is the use of teacher's room, you can write here. Then next page, there also you need to write the date. After that, different places in school, you should identify the pictures and write the name of the place here. Then the next side, what happens there, that also you want to complete. Then second question, why do we need so many rooms in a school? One room is enough for a school, no? One classroom is enough for a school? No. We need different rooms in a school because we need to do different things. We cannot play from the classroom. Teachers cannot sit in the principal's room. Correct? Principal's room is used to do his work. Teacher's room is used for doing teacher's work, and playground is used for playing. Classroom is used for learning. Understood all of you? We should have different rooms in a school. Understood all of you? So we are going to wind up the class today. Everyone do the works clearly. What all works I am giving, that everything you just do for the next class. Okay. Bye. See you next day. Thank you.